are you today? Okay. Okay, if you are well and I am well. Easy loh. Males na, okay, if you are well and I am well too, it means the children are ready to learn today. Okay, have you prayed yet? Have you prayed yet? Okay, I ask Miss to let Nova let us in prayer. Amen. Thank you, Nova, for letting us in prayer. Okay, children. Oh, now I want to check your attendance. Are you all present today? Okay, fine. Okay, Agneta de Santos Eko. Okay, Nona, how are you feeling today? Okay, Nona, I am happy today. Okay, bye. Okay. Agnes de Santos Eko. Okay. Nina, I am happy today. Oh, Nina, how is feeling today? Okay, Nina. Saya once happy today because saya did bring lunch. Okay, Nina. Bring lunch tomorrow so shall be motivated to learn. Elizabeth Citra Sanikondo. Okay, Citra happy today. Okay. Francisco El Salom. Okay, Isco happy today. Okay. Johannes de Serang. Okay, Johan happy today. Johanna Lidan. Okay, Yolan happy today. Okay, student. I hope you will maintain your attendance today. Okay. Okay, student, are you ready to learn? Okay, if you are ready, I hope you will prepare your prepared materials and arrange yourself during our learning process today. Okay. Okay, student. Before learning, I want us to make a class agreement together. No, from me, when I speak in front of the students, they are not allowed to make noise. No, I ask that the two students be sufficient. Okay, Kevin. Okay, Nona. Okay, Nona said to respect as other opinions. Okay, there are more. Okay, Isco. Okay, Isco side. Before answering, you have to raise your hand with. Okay? Okay, children. I hope during the class agreement you have met. I hope that day. Okay. Okay. Pay attention to this, children. If you put sugar into water, then we stir the sugar. What do you think will happen? Okay. Okay, children, now pay attention to this ice group. What do you think will happen if we live alone? Okay, children. So, from the previous example, sugar dissolving and ice melting, we can see that object around us can is turns out the object around us can read. So today we will learn about substance and their change with the learning objective that we will achieve normally the students can control the types of things in substance based on the result of observations correctly. Okay. Okay, children. Do you enjoy playing games? Okay. Well, since you all enjoy playing, now we're going to play a game about changing the form of object that life prepares. So now let's go forward one by one and answer the questions correctly because this game will immediately determine whether your answer is right or wrong along with the points. Nina. Okay, applause for Nina for getting on understand points. Applause salute. Salute, 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 salute. Okay, thank you. Nina, sit down please. Okay, applause for Nona getting on understand points. Applause salute. Salute, 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 salute. Okay, thank you, Nina. Okay, thank you, Nina. Sit down, please. Okay, Yolan. Okay, children. Applause for Yolan for getting on understand points. Applause salute. Salute, 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 salute. Okay, thank you, Yolan. Sit down, please. Okay, Yolan. Okay, thank you, Yuan. Okay, children. Okay, applause for Yuan for getting one understand points. Applause, salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay, thank you, Yuan. Sit down, please. Okay. Isco. Okay, applause for Isco for getting on understand point. Applause, salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay, thank you, Isco. Sit down, please. Okay. Okay, children, since you played the game and earned points, now I want to ask, what are some solid objects? Okay, Nona, good. Applause salute for Nona. Applause salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay. Okay. Anything that is included in limit. Okay, Isco. Okay, good, Isco. Applause for Isco. Applause, salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay, good. Okay, anything that is included in gas object? Okay, Yolan. Okay, good, Yolan. Applause for Yolan. Applause, salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay. Okay, children. Now let's look at the difference between solids, liquids, and gas. Okay, children. During the practical sciences matter, you have to carefully observe the change that occur so confusion. Children, from the change in substances that we study, we can learn that everything can change. Therefore, we must also ask the ability to change to be better every day. For example, be more diligent in studying, disciplined, and responsible. Apart from there, when conducting experiment like that, we must be careful, work together, and act material, visually so that they remain safe and do not damage the environment. Okay? Okay. Okay, children. Now I will divide you into the group. Each group will get one different experiment and one experiment that is the same for each group. So this group 1 experiment about dissolving sugar in water. Yolan, Isco, Nona, group 1. Okay? Okay. So this group 2 experiment about meeting heights. Citra, Yohan, group 2. Group 1, Yohan, Mina. And group 3, Yohan and Isko. And group 3, experiment on burning tooth lens. Group 1, about an experiment about dissolving sugar in water. Group 2, experiment about meeting AIDS. Okay? Okay. Okay, children. The last experiment is about vinegar and baking soda that for our group. Okay? Okay. Okay, children. In the game, we both know that we are the form of matter, namely solid, liquid, in gas. Example of solids air, food, sand, ice. Example of liquids are water, oil, and gas. Example are oxygen, bombs, and others. Those substances only have different forms, or can they also change, for example, from solid to liquid or liquid to solid? How do we know that matter can change? To answer the question, we will conduct a little experiment. Group 1 experiment sugar in water. Group 2 experiment about meeting AIDS. And group 3 experiment on burning furnace. Group 3, group 2, and group 1. Okay. Group 1, sugar and water. Group 2. Okay. Group 3, Isko and Yohan. Yohan and Isko, group 3. Okay, children. Now each group will work according to the experiment that I have set. Work together, okay? Okay. Okay. After you finish, I ask representative from each group to present the result of their work. Okay? Okay. Okay. If you have, I ask group one. Oh, okay. Have the kids finished work? Okay. If you have, I ask group 1 to present the result of your work. Group 1, Group 1, present. Okay. Thank you, Group 1. Uh, Absolute for Group 1. Clap salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay, Group 1, thank you. Sit down, please. Okay, Group 2. Okay, thank you, Group 2. Clap salute for Group 2. Clap salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay, thank you for Group 2. Sit down, please. Okay, Group 3. Okay, thank you, Group 3. Clap salute for Group 3. Clap salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay, Group 3. Sit down, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, children. Because you have presented the three experiments, now there is only one experiment where you all work together. Okay? Okay. Experiment. Okay. Have the kids finished work? Okay. If you have, I ask group to present the result of your work. Okay, thank you. Applause for group. Clap salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay, thank you, Isko. Sit down, please. Okay, children. Group 1, experiment about experiment sugar and butter. Nah, okay, group 1. What happened to the sugar after it was mixed with butter? Okay, Nona? Okay. Did the sugar disappear or is it still in the water? Okay, Nona? Okay, good. Was a no substance formed? Okay, no way. Okay. So, did this chain product enough substances or not? Okay, no. Okay, a chain that does not produce new substances is called a physical chain. Okay, Nona? Okay, good. Absolute for group 1. Absolute. Solute, solute. Solute, solute. Solute. Okay. Group 2. About experiment. Group 2. Experiment about experiment melting ice. Group 2. What happened to the eggs? Okay, Isko. Okay, Citra. Okay. Did the substance change into a new substance? Okay, Yolan? Okay. No way. Okay, so what changed? Okay, it's wrong. Okay, Yolan. Okay. A change from a solid to a liquid without forming a new substance is also a physical change. Okay, good. Absolute for group 2. Absolute. Solute, solute. Solute, solute. Solute. Okay. Group 3. Burning candle. Okay, group 3. What happened to the candle when it was burned? Okay, it melted and produced smoke. Okay, it's 4. Okay, thank you. Did only its head change or was there something else? Okay, Yuan? Okay, there was smoke. Okay. Was a new substance formed or not? Okay, Isko? Okay, a new substance was formed. Okay, good. Burning a can produce smoke and cause the formation of a new substance, including a chemical chain. Was a new substance formed? Okay, Isko? Okay, yes. Was a new substance formed? Okay, Yuan? Okay, yes. Good. Applause for group 3. Clap salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay. Okay, children. experiment about vinegar and baking soda. Okay. What happened when vinegar mixed with baking soda? Okay, Citra. Okay, the real bubbles. Okay. What does the bubbles indicate? Okay, Nona. Okay, yes, good, Nona. Thank you. This reaction is also a semi-salting because it produces a new substance. Okay, Isko? Okay, thank you. Absolute, uh, absolute for glue. Absolute, salute, 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 salute. Okay, thank you, children. Okay, okay, children. Now let's work together to make a conclusion from the experiment we have done. Sugar does not produce enough substance physical change. Okay, good. Acidic does not produce enough substances physical change. Okay. Chemical burning produce a new substance chemical change. Okay. Vinegar and baking soda produce a new substance chemical change. So, how many types of change are there? Nona? Okay, two. What are they? Scope. Okay, scope physical change and chemical change. Okay, good. Good. Excellent. Physical change only change the form or state of a substance and does not produce a new substance. Chemical change produce a new substances. Then, okay, children, what do you learn today? Okay, Luna. Okay, good. Thank you, Luna. Applause for Luna. Applause, salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay. Which experiment was the most interesting? Okay, Isko. Okay, good, Isko. Applause for Isko. Applause, salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay. What change did you discover? Okay, Nina. Okay. Good, Nina. Applause for Nina. Applause, salute. Salute, salute. Salute, salute. Salute. Okay, thank you. What change did you students tell the opinions orally? Okay, children. For today's lesson, we learned that everything has a process. Therefore, we should always be curious carefully in observing and willing to work together with our friends. Keep practicing good habits both at school and at home. Okay, thank you for your experience and participation today. Okay, I asked Miss Nina Empire. Amin. Thank you, Nina Empire. Thank you, sit down, please. Okay. Okay, thank you, children, for your hands and participation today. See you in the next lesson. Okay, goodbye.